Hey guys, welcome. This is Staking and Savings on Binance Guide. It's written by Engineer Shodago. Said from Binance DeFi staking to Binance Launchpad, this guide covers all the popular staking and saving opportunities offered by the exchange. So hopefully at the end of this guide, you know what staking is all about and how profitable it can be to you. So these are some of the stuff you'll be covering. What is staking, types of staking on Binance. So I'm going to read out some key parts. It said just a few moments ago, Binance Taking launched its first high yield staking offer, which was a promotion that gave crypto enthusiasts the chance to earn 37.49% API by staking ADA, TRX, EOX, and Cake. So the staking event usually runs on a first come first served basis. Such events highlight multiple opportunities for staking available on Binance. But what exactly is crypto staking? So we're going to look at it here. It said crypto staking your crypto with a specific proof of stake mechanism is the equivalent of POW mining, as it contributes to the security and operations of that network. However, mining is unlike mining, staking is less resource intensive, as well as it's required is for you to lock your cryptocurrencies in a staking wallet while you receive rewards in return. So guys, that's part of the differences between staking and mining. But staking is usually more easier to do if you just put in your cryptocurrency and it's the work is being done for you. Types of staking we have DeFi. Binance offers several staking, DeFi staking on Binance. So for this pictorial representation, it says here if you stake USDT, you get at least 10%, 10 to 10.25% in ROI. Okay, so activities next. There's Ethereum 2.0 staking here. I think they're staking for most coins. They're staking for most coins. So guys, I'll be dropping a link to this description box in the description box so you can get access to this full article and read more on it. But in a nutshell, it says the feature of staking on Binance comes with a wide range of opportunities. Users can analyze all the options available on the platform and the level of risk associated with them. The ones with high API usually come with high risk. So the higher the API, the higher the risk. While the ones with low this thing come with lower risk. We have flexible saving options offer rewards on a daily basis. However, with a low rate of return, locked savings reward users after the expiration of the term with a higher rate of return. So that's how it works, guys. That's how it works. So guys, one love, guys. See you in our future uploads. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you find updates like this helpful, and you can drop your comments in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, and we'll bring you more updates on crypto world. Peace out, guys.